Hello and welcome to Kitchener Ford. This is a 2010 F-150 XLT two-wheel drive. Comes with the original key fob remote, which is working for lock and unlock. Gonna give it a start up here. Has the window side deflectors. Also has a drop-in bed liner. Do a quick walk around. Couple imperfections. A little bit of rust starting here on the rear quarters. Little ding there. Does have a trailer hitch. The rear light's cracked. Rusted through here. There's a crack in the windshield as well. All right. Does have an aftermarket trailer brake controller. Start up here. Low tire pressure light. Radio's working. Here are the back seats as well. Pop the hood here. The truck is running a little bit rough, but it's running. A little bit of a ticking noise.